Hi. In today's session, I'm going to help you how the technology is going to help you to reach maximum people in minimum time. Want to know? Let's dive in. Okay, let me share my screen for you and technology for leaders. Okay, see if you want to reach maximum people in minimum time, so I can help you with the 12 tools which is going to benefit you a lot. Okay, how? Let me share. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to share in this session 12 tools which are going to help you to reach maximum people in minimum time. Number one is WhatsApp auto messages. I'll just summarize and I'm going to explain the things in detail after some time. Second is WhatsApp wishes on birthday, anniversary. Third is personalized dynamic message, group communication. Fifth is WhatsApp on specific date, WhatsApp on specific date and time. Along with this, seventh is WhatsApp forms welcoming the new people, follow up after X days, smart reply system, WhatsApp desktop system, WhatsApp for business, and the last one is recurring reminders. So many WhatsApp automation is possible. Let me share how these WhatsApp automations are possible. Just imagine you are going to send automated WhatsApp messages. Automated. Okay, nowadays everyone is using WhatsApp. I hope you also use WhatsApp. Yes. Okay, so even I also use almost 4 apps in my mobile, WhatsApp apps. Okay, so everyone is using WhatsApp. So how we can automate it? Yes, it is possible. Automation is possible. Especially just imagine, like, say on your birthday or on my birthday, if you wish me, okay, how many days I'm going to remember it? Okay, at least I'm going to remember for 1 year, 1 day. The reason is I'll be remembering last year you wish me. Okay, so this way you are going to have the long-term relationship with your prospects, with customers, or with your known people. So what is required is to wish on their good days, like especially birthday, anniversary. Anniversary can be considered as question mark. Okay, next is personalized dynamic message. Friend, nowadays people don't read the forwarded messages, the messages shared in the group, but if you share personalized messages saying dear Mahesh, dear Suresh, then those messages are read for longer time. Yes, those messages are read for longer time. The reason is because it is personalized. It is only to me because my name is specified there. Okay, if you want to take advantage of this kind of personalized dynamic message, then you can use this system. Next is, if you are thinking or if you are having groups, a lot of groups, okay, then how to send bulk messages to the groups? It is possible. It is possible. The advantage of sending the message in the group is at a time you can reach to 256 people in one click. Yes, it is possible. Okay, so how to do it, how to automate it? So this I'm going to help you under the group of WhatsApp automated messages groups. So just imagine, like, if you are having say 100 groups and each number can have maximum of 256, let us consider say 200 people. Then even if you are having 100 groups, it means that you can send 20,000 WhatsApp messages free of cost, okay, in one click. And again, this can be automated. If you have, think of 1,000 groups and 100 people, it means that 100 or 200 people, 1 to 2 lakh messages you are sending every day. Awesome facility. Next comes is the WhatsApp specific on date. Okay, if you want to send date-wise messages, on this date I want to send this message, on this date I want to send this message, it is possible. Next comes is the date and time. If you want to schedule the messages, okay, on specific date and time, this way you can have better follow-up and make sure people are going to read your messages on that date and that time. Is it a good idea? Think, like, what are the different cases you want to use, or you want to send the messages on specific date and time when you want people to read your messages on that date and that time. If that is the case, go for this scheduled messages. Next is WhatsApp forms with welcome attachment or any message. For example, if anyone is going to fill up any form, then instantly if you want to send any say attachment, any brochure, any information, it is possible. Okay, they have to just fill up the form. They can access that by visiting the URL or QR code, and they can fill up the form and you are going to get the data, but also simultaneously you are going to send automatic WhatsApp message to them. Okay, next comes is the follow up after n days, x days. So example, if you want to nurture your leads, I say it as a lead nurturing, you want to send automated messages to that person after every interval of days. Say on day 1 this message should go, day 2 this message should go, day 3, day 10, day 100. If you want this kind of automation, then go for WhatsApp XD, that is after sending the message after X days. Next comes is the smart reply system. So example, if you want to send automatically certain messages after receiving anybody's response, that is nothing but smart reply system. Example, if you send me a WhatsApp message saying hi, hello, then immediately what is going to happen is you are going to get all the list of services what we are already offering. And if you want to avail or you want to know the more details about that service, you have to just enter that number 1 2 3 4 5 or 101 102 105, or even any keyword can also be automated. You can definitely take advantage of this. Next comes is the WhatsApp desktop system. So the advantage of WhatsApp desktop system is you can send bulk messages from computer to your clients, your prospects, okay, in just a few clicks. You can attach image, you can attach PDF file, all the things are possible. Okay, so definitely take advantage of WhatsApp desktop system also. Next comes is the WhatsApp for business. If you're thinking to manage WhatsApp as business, then go for WhatsApp business. I'm going to help you. Okay, you can say label or group different messages or different contacts. Even you can reply quickly by just selecting one button, and you can add up to 500 catalogs wherein you can show your products, your services, your mega offers. So many things are possible. Think of WhatsApp for business. And last point, the 12th tool is recurring reminders. For example, certain times you wish to remind a person or a company or a group after certain days, and till that activity is not finished, you want to remind, then go for reminder system, recurring reminder. This is going to remind the other person and it is not going to let you down. Okay, it is not going to let you down. Let me share my experience with you. Is because of this reminder system, okay, people started paying my dues, my fees on time. The reason is that is going to remind them continuously. Okay, so good idea. Definitely think of reminders. Next comes, let me summarize the 12 tools. Number 1 is WhatsApp auto messages, WhatsApp wishes on birthday, anniversary, personalized dynamic message, group communication, auto WhatsApp on specific date and time. Next comes is the 7th tool is WhatsApp for forms. After anyone is going to fill up the form, send message or follow up after certain days. Smart reply system, WhatsApp desktop system. Then comes is the WhatsApp for business, and the last one is recurring reminders. These are the different tools, these are the different options wherein we can automate the things. Friend, I'm going to give you only the template. You have to just update the things in the sheet. Rest everything is going to be automated. That much power you are going to get it. So if you want to know more details about this, please let me know. Please contact me on this number and reach maximum people in minimum time and increase your business, increase your reach. So please connect with me on this number. I'll be sharing my WhatsApp link in the description. Please refer it and let's connect soon and get maximum benefit to you by using the technology. Okay, I wish you great success with the energy and power. Thank you very much.